Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have the LookFantastic unboxing for you. This is May 2020 and it should have arrived, I think the email said between the 9th and the 18th. Today we are the 25th, so it's a week late. I'm not really complaining, I like getting that box because it's always very exciting. But I'm not complaining because there's a worldwide crisis going on, as you know, a pandemic. So I'm not complaining. I feel like it will go on for a while, that all the post and mail is a bit late. So anyways, let's unbox this. Also, I have slept weirdly. I cannot move my head past this point. Over here it's fine, but over here, ooh, that's mint color. That's gorgeous. So the inside says, "Get lost in the wilderness, you were born to be free." Okay, so we have the leaflet here. It looks very like jungle-like. So very excited for that. Let's open this up. Oh, there's something big in there. I love this already. The big thing that is in here is the Wipe Out Eco-Friendly Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Removes makeup with just water. Oh, that looks so cool. I would definitely use this. Like, I know I have a bunch of microfiber towels, but this feels so soft. And just higher quality than the ones I have. I have like a 14 pack from Amazon, which was only like $7. It's really great, but this feels good. Okay, so this Magnetone London. Oh, I love this. This is great. Okay, let me see what it is. This is worth £10. Let this Magnetone cleansing cloth remove your makeup with just warm water. Grab and hold microfiber towels to remove even the toughest of makeup. Simply throw in the washing machine at 30 degrees and reuse up to thousands of times. Now, if that's not great, then I don't know what is. I want this one. This is the smallest thing in here. Dr. Lip Tint. Oh my god! I just got, oh my god, spoiler, I got rid of one because it was just old. I thought I lost that one, but I found it again, so it was kind of expired. But oh my god, this is so cute. You know what? Let me show you the other one. Okay, so this is, I think this is the full size. That's the one that I got rid of, and this is the smaller size. This is with elderberry, and this is with sweet potato pigment. Potato. Why did I say it like that? It's so cute. Hold on, I have to smell this. If this smells like potato, I'm gonna scream. Hold on. Doesn't smell like anything, to be honest. But let me put it on. I have a clear lip gloss on, but I think I can sacrifice a lip gloss for this. Also, this is what it looks like. A bit of a pigment, like a bit of a tint, but not much. Do I need a mirror for this? I don't think so, huh? Doesn't taste like anything. Okay, so I've been filming this video with the mic here, and it wasn't plugged in. But it still recorded my voice. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Get a subtle pop of color and ultra hydration with this Dr. Lip Tint, a tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Lanolin gives the balm its moisturizing properties, whilst sweet potatoes provide the tint. 100% natural and cruelty-free, this balm will leave your lips super soft. So I actually want to feel what this feels like, the Magnetone thing. And it's so soft. Oh my god, it's big fat pigeon. Oh my god, it's so soft. I think I need to wash it first though, but it even has a hook here where you can hang it up. Oh my god, I love this. This is literally one of the softest things I've ever felt in my entire life. A lot. Okay, so moving on, we have this here. This is pretty big. Oh god, the Avant Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Sheer Butter. Is that for the body or is that for the face? Clean dry skin every morning and evening, so I think it's for the face. Let's open it up and smell it because, you know, I like it's sealed. I can't. That's pretty big though. It's 50 milliliters. Oh my god. This is worth £100. £100. I'm blown away. Get a bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging Avant moisturizer. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter and sweet almond oils to tighten and firm for a more youthful complexion. So I would probably be careful when you're allergic to almonds. Okay, so far we like this. Okay, moving on. Okay, there's nothing on this side. There are only 3 products left, which is sad. So I've already seen this in like the leaflet here. This is the Ico Brow Gel. I don't have anything on my brows, so we're gonna try that out. Style and define in the color. It's gonna dumb it up. That looks brown-ish. I think I'm gonna try that out. So this is worth £10. Jesus Christ, will you please stay there? Thank you. This Icon Brow Gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness or stiffness. Infused with the beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken the hairs. The nano brush allows you to precisely define your brows but keeps them looking natural. Okay. We will try it out, I guess. Thank God I brought a mirror. It's like I knew it. Just zoom in like this. I think. Now, I don't have anything on my brows, so it will probably be a bit weird. But I'm gonna try nonetheless. Oh, that is even my shade. Oh, I like that. And the other side as well. Like, it has color in, yes, but it's not too intense, you know what I mean? Like, my hair still look natural. It doesn't feel too moist either. Okay, I really enjoyed this. I mean, we'll see how it will last. But so far it is nice. I'm going with this one. Ooh, Chorus. Chorus is such a fancy brand. Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Ooh, yes. Oh god, I can't read this. Microbiome-friendly technology, anti-pollution cassette with real Greek yogurt. Can we talk about Greek yogurt? That's like one of the best things you can eat, especially the one with honey in. Oh, mwah, chef's kiss, so good. It's sealed as well, but I think it's like a, I don't know if you can see through it. I think it's like a greenish color. We'll try that out, obviously. Okay, so this is worth $9.40. Suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. This coarse face mask soothes, hydrates, and cools for the ultimate pampering and nourishing feel. Okay. I mean, if you say so. Can I just say that so far I love all of this. I don't think I mean, I probably had box like that before, but I hadn't had a box that I love everything in for a long time, I think so. Hell yeah, look fantastic. It's great. Okay, last but not least is the Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. Ooh, oh god, 99.9% natural, created to effectively quench, plump, brighten, and to rejuvenate skin throughout the day. Directions: spray onto cleansed skin and pat in until fully absorbed. So I will probably just do that when I take the makeup off. But I think I can smell it, right? Hold on. It smells a bit weird. Like, it's usually with this, like, all natural stuff. It smells a bit weird, but hey, if it smells a bit like a hospital. Okay, so anyway, I will try it out, obviously. So this is worth £10. Award-winning skin quenching, whitening, and incredibly hydrating, this Balance Me facial mist instantly rejuvenates dry skin. Designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, fix makeup in place, and refresh your face throughout the day. You know what? I'll just, if it fixes my makeup, you know what? Let's see. Ooh, that smell. Whew. How does it look? Oh my god, I look glowy. So far, I like it. Like, I have to see if I get an allergic reaction from it, but so far, it's not that bad. Okay, so that was everything that is in the box. Like I said, I actually enjoy all of this. Which is weird, but I'm not complaining. I actually love it. So, then we have 10 Minutes with Lucy Penswick, who is IQUS brand manager. Okay, so that's here. Then we have Dr. Lip. You can use that on your eyelids? Why did nobody tell me that? I would have used that just to complete this look. Where is it? Hold on. I would have used that. You know what? This is actually nice. But then again, I have hooded eyes, so it will probably stick to itself. You know what I mean? Like, my eyes will probably like stick up here. Oh god. I will try it out though. You can use it on your cheeks, and on your eyelids, and on your lips. Okay, so that's actually very cool. Botanical face mask. Okay. pineapple. So the beauty dictionary is pineapple and what it does for your skin. 10 of the best exfoliators for face and body. Mood board. So gentle products, a power of plants, and sustainable beauty. Finally. And then sneak peek for next week. Oh yes! For next week, for next month. Molten brown, coastal cypress, and sea fennel bath and shower gel. Oh, I'm always so excited when we get these because it smells so good. I don't know how they do it, but it always smells good. So anyway, that was all that was in the box. This time I will actually keep the leaflet because I'm often confused on how to use products. I love all of this. Oh my god. This I will immediately throw into the washing machine so I can use it. Okay. This I will... No, I still have face cream, so I will not use that one. This I will do a video on. This I will use tonight. This I will use tonight as well. And then this I will probably use as well. I'm very excited. Okay, so if you want this box, or maybe not this box, but the next box, I have a referral code in my info box. I think you get like 10% off or something. I'm not really sure. I make a 5% commission, I think, or £5 that I can spend on LookFantastic itself. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. You know, like I'm not pushing you to do it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next video. Bye. Oh my god. What is with this camera today? Ugh. I just realized something. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope that actually worked. Let me check it.